Hi guys, we are back on the ground again because we're gonna do a rotation spinning painting, and this studio is with a lot of people. All my neighbors came to the studio to watch me do the rotation painting. One of my best friends is Sebastian. Please say hi to the crowd.
Hi.
Hi Sebas. Alright, we're gonna start. We're gonna do a base of white paint to make it flow better. Okay, we're just gonna do a puddle in here and rotate it. I mix. Then we're gonna pour the white around it and blow it over. Go! Stop. This is so much fun to do, and I love this painting because also when you're pouring and it's rotating, you have no clue or no idea how it's gonna end up, and it's such a surprise. It's so cool that it's so soft and so much more contrast on the other side. It's very cool. And also we put all this foil in here, but you see here all the spatters? It's not from this. Okay guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you next video.